It's Tuesday! As LeBron likes to say, Taco Tuesday! Last time I was here, I was joined by a couple of my pals. Well, wait! There they are! Indeed, my pals have rejoined me as we explain today's activity. It's Sharky! How have things been, Sharky?
Pretty good.
Oh, pretty good. Kind of a lame answer. Give me a detail, Sharky. What have you been eating lately?
Birds.
Birds! Sharks eat, that's right, feathers and all. This shark eats birds. How about over here, my friend Bear? Is your name still Bear?
No, that was too generic. Now I go by Reg.
Reg? No one's more in tune with the barometric pressure than Reg, as I've understood. Reg, great to have you. If I call you Bear, understand, it's just because it's an old habit. Sharky, Bear, Reg, should we explain today's activities?
That'd be fantastic.
Fantastic. And what we hear over here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Excellent. Today, on your assignment, which is in the description below, you guys will click on the link, which opens you up to a world of activities. The first option, you guys can build an upcycled product, meaning take reused materials and build something new. Bear, can you imagine? Show me your excitement. Sharky.
Her name's Reg.
Oh, Reg, sorry.
Thank you, Sharky.
The Recycle City. Number 2 option for you. If you don't want to build a product today, you can go online, a fun link to games and understanding of recycling. There, I put you on a scavenger hunt. Do you hunt for anything, Sharky?
Birds.
Stop it with the birds. Reg, you're a bit of a hunter. Is there anything particularly sweet that you like to hunt for?
Honey.
Honey? Don't call me honey. I'm Bear. Is there anything you like to hunt for that's sweet?
I hunt for honey.
Oh, honey. Yes, silly me. Understood. Your third option. I'm reading it over in my notes right now just to remember what to do. Oh, yes, it's come back to me. You can watch a video. Kind of boring, but watch the video and write me a little story about how recycling impacts you and your family. How many options do we have? Reg?
3.
Sharky?
3.
What do you eat, Sharky? Sharky!
Birds.
Birds! You've got 3 options today. That reminds me. Tomorrow, we have a Google Meet. What time is the Google Meet at, Reg?
11.
11! Find the link on my website tomorrow at about 10:55. I'm sorry, not mine, Mr. Pester's website tomorrow. Click on that and join us if you can. Tomorrow's also Earth Day, isn't it, Reg?
Yes, it's Earth Day.
Sharky, save the Earth, my friend. Tomorrow we celebrate. What are you going to do special?
Eat birds.
Stop it! All right, I think we shall celebrate. It's Earth Day tomorrow. We should dance. Wait for it. More volume, Z. Who's feeling it out there? I somewhat blinded by the light. Is it the weekend yet? Oh, it's not the weekend, but we just dance. Sharky, get vertical. Come on. Yes. Reg, do the honey dance. Ready, set, birds, 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 birds. I'll see you guys tomorrow on our Google Meet. It's 11 o'clock. Join us. Be there. It's going to be awesome.